How to reactivate permanently deactivated Uber account. Now, additional information before we dig deep into the tutorial on how you can recover your permanently deleted account. Now, if you have just created an account with Uber and then it is not yet past 30 days that you have re or deactivated your account, you can definitely reactivate it without any problem. But if 30 days has passed, then all you have to do is just to coordinate with one of the support from the Uber.com's official site. For you to get there, just simply use your Google Chrome and then just simply go to search bar and then just type in Uber customer service. And by the way, you can definitely use any preferred web browser as long as you can access the help.uber.com. Now you will now then be redirected to Uber's official customer service site, and in here just change it to riders and then go down to account, and in here you can choose the necessary option for you to be able to get to directly to the customer support. So say for example, just choose on I think my account has been hacked, and in here just fill out this necessary informations for you to be able to get intact or coordinate with the customer support. So that's it. That's how you can reactivate the permanently deactivated Uber account.